This has to be organic, natural. Basically, my website is based on a cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary analysis. Primarily to centered around material science. I may take a radical approach to physical reality. Now, cross-disciplinary, now I'll explain each term. These are just big, jargonic, verbosity term for simplistic phenomena. Cross-disciplinary is when you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. And it's a difficult field in cross-disciplinary because it requires a parallel, a parity of equal knowledge in both fields simultaneously to have a cross-disciplinary, in-depth articulation of it. So I may explain physics, I may explain biology, I may explain music using physics. Cross-disciplinary entails what is sound. Sound is a collision of air molecules. It has amplitude, frequency, velocity, acceleration, intensity. Intensity, for example, is the distance in which sound travels. Why sound is a collision of air molecules. How sound disperses. Why do we hear octaves? Why does an A chord consist of 440 hertz? And why we double it, we hear an octave.
What did you do with Jeff?
What aspect of human biology
He's not here
and our internal
He might be
membrane
back next
allows
week.
us to perceive
And in the
sound
event, I'm
rhythmic
hosting his
in
show, The Jeff
subset
Richards Show,
increments.